Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has called for a protest with workers planning to head towards Sawabi to block the motorway there. But from the very beginning, this protest has been blocked by disorganization and extremely low participation. The turnout here at the toll plaza is shockingly low. The number of workers who have gathered is minimal, far less than what was expected for a protest of this nature. Originally, the convoy was supposed to depart for Sawabi at 11 am to block the motorway at that location, but that deadline has passed and the convoy is still stuck here. There simply aren't enough people to justify moving forward, and the lack of numbers is obvious to everyone watching. Adding to the chaos, the few workers who did show up have now split into two separate groups. There is a clear infighting and a complete breakdown of discipline. One faction attempted to block the Peshawar toll plaza itself, lying down on the road and stopping traffic in an effort to force a confrontation here rather than waiting for Sawabi. However, the leadership quickly intervened and physically removed these workers from the road, assuring them that the real blockade would take place in Sawabi, not here. For now, the leadership is trying to regain control, but workers are visibly frustrated and refusing to listen to directives. Despite the leadership efforts, the situation remained tense and unpredictable. At one point, workers did succeed in briefly blocking the motorway at the toll plaza, but the blockade was short-lived. The convoy from Peshawar is supposed to be led by Irfan Salim and Ahmad Khan Niazi, but with workers divided and ignoring instruction, it is unclear whether they will be able to maintain any semblance of order as the protest moves forward. For now, the plan remains to head towards Sawabi and block the motorway there, but with such low numbers and internal conflicts on full display, it is difficult to see these protests gaining any real momentum. What was meant to be a show of political stand has instead turned into a display of disorganization, low turnout, divided workers, and leadership struggling to assert control over a restless and frustrated crowd.